Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about encapsulation. What is encapsulation in that means? Encapsulation we can able to restrict access to a method or a variable. Means we can able to restrict some members to access that particular encapsulation by using some providing access modifiers that methods and variables to restriction, and it provides the data from the direct modification which is called as a encapsulation. We do not as a private attribute we can able to use single or double underscores. That is, if you are using like this single or double underscores, that is because of private access modifier, means we can't access without that. If you want use means you can able to use without underscore, that is because public. Okay, and we can able to access for those things. To restriction we can able to use some set and get value. When you are going to use some set and get values, that because of some private a variable you are trying to set some value and then you're going to accessing back to that value. Okay, you can able to see in this simple example. First, initiated with the max price is 900, means whenever this program is run, by default max price is 900. This is a get method to retrieving that this max price. Okay, when you call like this computer c.sale this method, it will by default it will return for 900. Okay, if you going to set some value directly max, because it is a private, if you create object of the computer and you're going to sell, you're going to add some value to the max directly, 1,000 rupees, and after that you're going to set getting for sale value, then it will not reflect. Why? Means it is a private value. Private value you can't change that directly calling this particular max price. Okay, when you want to set some value to the private value, then you have to use for some other method to set that particular value. Then you can able to use a set max and then 1,000, then you can able to get it. Then what will happen? Set max price, it will go, and here the max price which is a variable is presented already initiated place, that value equal to price. Then whenever you assign like this, then by default it will reflect, but it will not change the value, but it will reflect, and you can able to see the new price which is already presented. It is a runtime, it will goes and it will act to restriction to the other person. This is the process we can able to, because directly we can't access to that particular variables directly. Okay, you can able to see here Python and cap. Now you can see what I said, right? First one is c dot cell directly 900. Okay, and the second, changing the price directly accessing for trying to modify that price 1,000, but it will not reflect 9,000, it will directly make it for 900 only because it is default value. And when we try to set up some max price into that value, then third condition is 1,000 because it is modified, because we are setting some value to the private value which is already initiated into starting time of the program, right? This way we can able to restrict to some other persons and we can able to access those values immediately. Okay, this call about encapsulation. I hope you understand this video. Please like video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.